Mamelodi Sundowns have signed the Brazilian forward, while Amakhosi are considering Sundowns' potential player. According to iDiski Times, Mamelodi Sundowns have now landed their man, with the player set to arrive early next month before their pre-season trip to the Netherlands, which is confirmed for 17 to 29 July. Brazilian forward started excel last season at the second-tier side, netting 11 goals and 8 assists in 33 games across all competitions. After 4 years in Belgium and 2 years in France with Valenciennes, Costa arrives in South Africa for his latest challenge with the CAF Champions League next season. On other news, the club's former dribbling wizard Junior Kanye, including other Kaizer Chiefs legends, strongly believes that Lesedi Kapinga will be a perfect addition to their squad being assembled by the management and coach Molefe Ntseki. The Soto Giants, to revive their glory days and unique style of play, they need to sign more quality players, according to Far Post. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.